So the next topic is the construction of three-phase induction motor. Okay. So first of all, we have to know why it is named as induction motor. So why it is named as induction? Because the principle is electromagnetic induction. So this kind of motor is operating under the principle of electromagnetic induction principle. So where we are using this electromagnetic induction principle means that is in the transformer. That is in the transformer. So in the transformer, whether it's single phase transformer or three phase transformer, we are giving the supply only to the primary winding, but we are getting the output in the secondary winding. Okay, but there is no electrical connection between the stator, that is primary and secondary. Am I right? Okay, we are giving the supply only to the primary, but we are getting the output from the secondary. But there is no electrical connection between the primary winding and secondary winding. Okay, so what is the principle? That is called mutual induction principle. With the help of mutual induction principle, this primary winding it induces, it induces some amount of some energy in the secondary winding. So we are transferring the electrical energy from the primary into secondary. So the same principle is applied here. So the induction motor, it consists of two major parts. One is called stator and another is called rotor. If you can take any DC motor, any DC generator or synchronous generator or synchronous motor, for all kind of motor or generator, so for example, so we have to give the power supply. For generator, we are taking out the power supply. That's not an issue. For motor, whether it's AC or a synchronous motor or a DC motor, we are giving the power supply to both stator as well as rotor. But in induction, especially in screw gauge, we are giving the power supply only to the stator winding. We are giving the power supply only to the stator winding. Automatically, the EMF will be induced in the rotor winding. We are giving the power supply only to the stator. We are not giving the power supply to the rotor. But the rotor, it induces some amount of EMF because of this induction principle. So that's why it is named as induction motor. Or it may be called as asynchronous motor. It may be called as asynchronous. Why it is called asynchronous? Synchronous speed because this motor, it will not operate only, it will not operate in synchronous speed. Synchronous speed mattum operate agar. So that it will operate other than the synchronous speed. Synchronous speed is yellow speed operate agar. Adana asynchronous. Synchronous is 1500. Other than synchronous, asynchronous motor. One thing. Or it may be called as three-phase rotating transformer. What is called? Three phases. Because three-phase induction motor, so it is called three-phase. And it is called rotating transformer. Why it is called? Whether the transformer will rotate, it is a stationary part. Transformer it is a stationary. It does not contain any moving parts. Primary secondary எதுவுமே மூவ் ஆகாது, ஆடாம அசையாம ஸ்டேபிளா இருக்கும். அதனால it is called static device அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். But this is called rotating transformer. Transformer rotate ஆகாது. ஆனா இது rotating ஆகுது அப்படினா எது rotate ஆகும்? மோட்டாரோ ஜெனரேட்டர் மட்டும் தான் rotate ஆகும். So அப்ப this induction motor it operate under the principle where electromagnetic induction that is used in the transformer. அதனால அங்க transformer கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. கொண்டு வந்தாச்சு. This motor is gets rotating தானே. இது rotate ஆகுமா? rotate ஆகும். அதனால தான் rotating transformer. Rotating is nothing but motor. Rotating is nothing but motor. Transformer அப்படின்றது the principle which we are using in the transformer. The principle which we are using in the transformer is induction principle. So this also called as three-phase rotating transformer. Sometimes they may be lost to explain the construction and operation of three-phase rotating transformer. அப்படினு கேட்டா யாருக்கு rotating அப்படினா motor இல்லனா generator. Transformer யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய principle induction. அது எந்த மோட்டார்ல யூஸ் பண்றோம்? Induction motor. So this is called rotating transformer அப்படினு சொல்றோம். சரிங்களா? So there are two main parts. One is called stator and another is called rotor. So the stator is nothing but a stationary part. It will be in the outer surface. It will be in the free binding. So one is called R phase winding, another is called B phase winding. So there is R phase winding, Y phase winding, and B phase winding. So the stator, it consists of 3 phase winding. One is for R phase, Y phase, and B phase. Okay now. So the 3 phases are excited by the 3 phase supply. Okay now. The 3 phase winding are energized by, excited by 3 phase power supply. So we are giving the 3 phase power supply to the stator winding. Okay now. So the stator is made up of n number of stamping. If you are transformer wants to consider stamping, how we are forming the note or books, it contains many paper. Okay now. ஒரே பேப்பரால் நோட் மேக் பண்ண முடியுமா? Okay now. It may contain 80 pages, 120 page, 120 page. Okay now. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய pages பல்கா நீங்க ஃபோல்ட் பண்ணனா மட்டும்தான் we can form a note or we take it book. அப்படிதானே? இந்த ஒரே பேப்பர் வச்சு ஒரே திக்னஸ் ஒரே பேப்பர் வச்சு இந்த நோட்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? முடியாது. அதே மாதிரி தான் ஒரு ஸ்டாட்டருடைய கோர் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் n நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டாம்பிங். ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு ஸ்டாம்பிங் இருக்கும், அதுக்கு மேல ஒரு ஸ்டாம்பிங், அதுக்கு மேல வந்து n நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டாம்பிங் வச்சு மோல்ட் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. அந்த ஒரு ஸ்டாம்பிங் உடைய திக்னஸ் it will be around 0.4 mm ல இருந்து 0.5 mm தான் இருக்கும். ஒரு ஸ்டாம்பிங் உடைய திக்னஸ். இப்போ நம்ம சொல்றோம்ல 75 GSM, 60 GSM ஏபோசிட் காம்பஸ் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி அதோட திக்னஸ் ஆஃப் தி ஸ்டாம்பிங், ஸ்டாட்டர் உடைய திக்னஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 0.4 mm, not 4 mm, 0.4 mm or it may be 0.5 mm தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? சோ அந்த ஸ்டாட்டர்ல தான் தி 3 phase winding involved. ஓகேவா? இந்த R phase க்கு Y phase க்கு நடுவுல ஒரு 120 degree phase shift, and between Y phase and B phase 120 degree phase shift, and B phase and R phase 120 degree phase shift. So 120, 120, 120. So we are getting the angle of 360 degree. Okay na? 360 divided by 3 phase, we are getting the phase angle of 120 degree phase shift. சரிங்களா? Okay. So stator அப்படின்றது outer frame, it contain 3 winding for R phase, Y phase and B phase. It will be energized by the 3 phase supply. சரிங்களா? So thickness 0.4 mm வந்து 0.5 mm.